Welcome back to Ron's Rise, welcome back to the channel, and welcome back to another video where this week is just a week that keeps on giving. Just yesterday, after Alfa Romeo's release of the new updated Giulia and Stelvios, Maserati decided to show us pictures of what is now their new sports car coming in May of 2020 that they've been teasing. Now we're seeing pictures of what the code name is, Project M240. Now Maserati just teased this sports car on their social media and on their channel, and what they told us is gonna blow your mind. They told us that this is 100% a Maserati engine. Now, why is this big news? Well, we'll get to that in just a moment. But let's talk about this car. Now, we know that it's going to be completely different because it's going to be a mid-engine sports car for Maserati. First of its kind for the brand. We also know that it's going to have a carbon fiber frame, and by the looks and shapes of it here in these pictures that Maserati posted, it's probably going to have a carbon fiber monocoque, kind of like the Alfa Romeo 4C. Now with it, we also know that it's going to have a hybrid powertrain, and with that powertrain, we're looking at over 625 horsepower for the most power in any Maserati yet. Now, this is going to be coming in May of next year. So we do know that Maserati has shut down the plant for renovations to get ready for the new M240. Now, with this bi-turbo V6 at 625 horsepower, you're going to have a combined dual clutch gearbox with 8 speeds and an integrated electric motor. With that, you're going to have that front axle driven by a second electric motor and the carbon fiber frame with the plug-in charging system. Now, Maserati did confirm that debut date, but what we said probably about a month ago, we found out the big news that Maserati was not going to be sharing engines with Ferrari anymore. You guys know this has been a thing for a while, that Ferrari has been supplying Maserati engines, more along the lines of the 4.7 liter naturally aspirated V8, and then Ferrari currently builds Maserati's engines in this lineup right now, but up to Maserati's spec. Now, months ago in the summer, we found out that Maserati and Ferrari were separating ties on the engine development. So we were wondering, what was Maserati going to do? Were they going to build their own engines again like they used to? Maserati has a rich racing history. They've built great engines before. Why not now? And now we get that confirmation straight from Maserati themselves, 100% Maserati engine. But what blows my mind is that they got this out so quickly. I'm not sure if they started working on the development of their own mid-engine car right after the announcement or right after the deal that they were going to separate, or is this something that's been in the works for a while now? We know that Maserati was going to come out with the car, but we didn't know that the power plant was going to be 100% theirs. So now that we know that, it's very exciting because I want to know what this full Maserati engine is going to be like in 2020. Now, the shots are outside of the Maserati plant, which Maserati probably planned on taking these shots and releasing them to the world. So it is out in Modena, Italy. Now, this is a test mule, as they say, or the first mule. This is not going to be the final design of Maserati's new mid-engine sports car. This is a test mule. This is something that is just being tested. We don't know exactly what it's going to look like towards the end. Now, Maserati said that the experimental vehicles are equipped with a new powertrain entirely developed and built in Maserati, and will be furthermore of a new family of engines integrated exclusively on the vehicles of the brand. All right, so that means this Maserati engine is not just sticking with this mid-engine sports car, but it's going throughout the entire lineup. Maserati also says that the data acquired through the kilometers covered by the mules will be integrated with the experience gathered in the Maserati Innovation Lab. They also say that they are the most advanced in the world. And they add, this working methodology will then be used to fine-tune and develop the prototypes with the final body work and mechanics. So again, this is not the final body work or mechanics. They are testing, and they are testing it on this test mule here. So we'll probably see some of the design language from this test mule in the final car. But for right now, this is all we're gonna get of the new M240. Now, with that said, what do you guys think about this news from Maserati? It's awesome that they're showing us this and they're taking us through the process, and they're getting us even more excited with their own engines. So you guys let me know down in the comments below, what do you think about the new M240, and what do you think about Maserati building their own engines? will it still have the same appeal that it does with the Ferrari built engines? Now, with that said, if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Giving a thumbs up helps get the video up in the rankings. More people can see it, and we can have a bigger discussion on a new Maserati mid-engine M240. Also, check the links below if you want to help support your boy. Check the one-time donation PayPal link in case you want to donate $1 or $2 to the channel. You can also click the Patreon link too for a monthly subscription, or you can just check out the Ron's Rise merch, t-shirts, phone covers, stickers, coffee mugs, everything like that. Help rock the Ron's Rise brand. I do have my social media down below too: Facebook, Snapchat, Instagram, everything like that. I did post these pictures on Facebook before I made this video because I wasn't sure if I was going to drop it until Maserati actually announced it. Now, with that said, you guys subscribe, click that notification bell so you can get these videos straight to your inbox, and we'll talk to you guys in the next Ron's Rise video. Peace.